In the last video, or I think the last two videos, I did the market analysis on volatility 100 index, and I told you guys that I'm bullish on this index. Basically, I'll be looking out for buy opportunities on V100 index. So today I took a buy trade on this index by identifying a nice buy level. So how I was able to spot this buy zone, and how did I know this index is going to buy on the approach of this level? I shared this buy setup on my free Telegram channel and to my VIP members. So in today's video, I would want us to have a trade breakdown on V100 index price action basically, and I'll be showing you guys my entry methodology, how I was able to get my entries, how I was able to spot this level, right? I can remember that I told you guys that I was bullish on this index. This index was selling yesterday, 2 days ago, was selling massively, but I wasn't interested on the sales of this index. I still had my buyers intact. I still had my view intact on this index. I identified this structure on the high time frame in our last video. I told you guys that this index was a downtrend. We were able to identify the market direction. Basically, we spotted the previous market trend, which is very much advisable to do whenever you want to analyze the market. Identify the previous market direction or trend and the current market trend. So I got this spotted, which was market being a downtrend previously, sorry, being an uptrend previously, and we got our levels and zones spotted as well, right? And we also identified the next market direction, which was market in a downtrend. So getting markets move in an uptrend the first time, in a downtrend the second time. So what do we expect? Me, I would basically be expecting a bullish move on this index. Due to the market structure I'm seeing, I am currently bullish on V100 index, right? Because we got this previous uptrend, previous downtrend, so we should be expecting price create an uptrend right now. We've already gotten two higher lows, so what is remaining for price to create is a new high, a new higher high, which would give a good trend matchup, something of this kind. What I'm expecting of this index for price to give the bullish move from this current price level. And we got a bullish structure, a bullish formation here, which is this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. And you guys know what happens whenever we see an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. There's a possibility of seeing price give the bullish move, give a bullish move or a bullish reversal on a selling market or a downtrend market. And the previous trend was market in a downtrend, and reversal patterns appears at the peak of the trend. Whenever we want to get a change in trend, we tend to get a reversal pattern formation. But since this pattern formation was formed, we are yet to get the break of the neckline, which is a strong level of resistance here. And we can see that price still formed a level, a zone at this point. We had previous market reactions. We can see price buying from as a support here. There was a big blow with test resistance, support here as well, right? Price reacting from here as well, resistance. So this is a strong level of resistance, would say. A key level would also say, because we've seen price buy and sell on this level twice at least. And this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation we are getting here is a bullish reversal pattern formation. So I'm currently expecting this day and the next coming day to be a bullish day, because we saw this index sell on the opening of yesterday's daily candle, then reversed back. Like you can see this candle formation, price sold, creating this week. Price sold massively the previous day, creating this week, then reversed back to the upside, creating this, giving this green candle formation, which is a bullish candle structure, right? So we can see what price is doing right now. We got a zone. I got a zone identified on a lower time frame, which I got my entries on. I'm moving in massive profits. One of the things I'm looking at for this index is if you have to get the sells, because there's still a possibility of seeing the sells. We may see price sell to this point, this bullish order block we got here, because the last attempt price failed to give a proper test of this bullish order block. Price didn't even give a test on it. It reversed to the upside. So we could still see price sell to come give a test of this order block before any bullish move. But still, I'm very much bullish on this index. You can see how the 4 time frame structure is looking. On the 4 time frame, I identified this zone, identified this level, because you can see previous market reactions. If you can get price, buy on this level as a support previously, support. Having multiple market reactions on this zone, there's a possibility of seeing price sell to this point, then reacting from it, giving the market reactions on the test of this zone. So this gave me my entry points. This entry level is giving my entry zone. Right, so you can see this formation as well, which is a descending channel formation, and we all know what happens whenever we see descending channel formation. It indicates a change in direction of a bearish market. We are likely to see price do what, give a bullish breakout on the descending channel formation, and we can see that we also got our resistance level on this descending channel, which you can see price from as a resistance. So there's a possibility of getting a test of this zone and a test of our broken trend resistance turn support, right? So we could see price give massive buys from this zone. So I got this level identified and I shared this setup to my VIP members and on my public Telegram channel. I was like, if price can give a test of this zone, there's a possibility of getting the buys from this point. I've taken partial profit basically on this index. More buys is still expected in the coming hours and days, regardless of these rejections we are getting here, because we actually got a zone at this point. Got a zone here, so I'll be having my TP level placed here, my first TP level basically. So I'll be expecting more buys on this index in the coming hours and days. I'm long-term bullish on V100 index. Even if you are to get price give the sells to these points, to this zone, I'm long-term bullish on this index, because looking at the weekly time frame structure, you can see that this index has been selling for a very long time, and I think it's right time this index starts reversing, giving the bullish moves. So you could see a possible approach to this point, right? Possible price approach to that zone. We have a lot of gaps, a lot of bearish gap. The bullish market is expected to come fill up, right? So that's my view and market prediction and market analysis. I'm long-term bullish on this index. Let's watch out for how the market plays and what happens. We can as well take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity. We got another level at this point as well. If price can give a break of this level, then we'd see more buys. We have a lot of strong resistance level on this index. I think that's what is holding this index from giving the straight buys and long buys. But if price can manage to break above these resistance levels, then we'll be seeing massive buys, massive bullish move on V100 index. If price can give a break of this level of resistance, a break and retest on something of this kind, price giving a break out of this level of resistance from this current price level, giving a break of it, retest here, then there's a possibility of getting another buys, and we could still see price do what, retest this zone again, retest this level, right? Could still see price give under a test of that zone for more buys, right? So that's my trade projection and my buy point. So if price can give a break and retest of any of these levels, we can look at for our good buy opportunity. But our perfect buy zone is at this point. Our perfect buy level is at this identified zone. So I entered on the rejection on a lower time frame and on a bullish reversal pattern formation on the 1 minute time frame. I was supposed to get my entries here, but I saw a couple of I saw this bullish engulfing candle that formed after this bearish engulfing candle. So this is a bullish candle formation, a bullish candle pattern formation. So I got my entries here. A good entry point should be at this neckline on the 1 minute time frame, the break and close above this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation neckline. So getting another entry point, and you can see that price is trying to retest this neckline. If you can get a good retest of this neckline, then let's still expect more buys on this index basically. I'll be watching out for a couple of market rejections from this point to buy this index more by the end of the video, and I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out later on. We're getting the rejections, so let me end this video so I can get another entry. So that's it guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and to my returning viewers. I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chill me a lot guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.